Hi students, today let us discuss about second class English sing and dance. What is this? Dancing time. A B C D dancing time. E F G H hoping time. A B C D dancing time. E F G H hoping time. I J K L learning time. I J K L learning time. M N O P playing time. M N O P playing time. Q R S T story time. Q R S T story time. U V W writing time. U V W writing time. X Y Z is jolly time. X Y Z is jolly time. A B C D dancing time. E F G H hoping time. I J K L learning time. M N O P playing time. Q R S T story time. U V W writing time. X Y Z is jolly time. Next one. Here join the dots from A to Z. Color the picture and write the letters from A to Z in capital and small letters in the table given below. You see here one animal is there in alphabets. We connect the alphabets from A to Z. Let's become a animal picture. Okay, I will do it. Where is A? A is here. A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, E to F, F to G, G to H, H to I to J, J to K, K to L, L to M, M to N, N to O, O to P, P to Q, Q to R, R to S, S to T, T to U, U to V, V to W, W to X, X to Y, Y to Z, Z to A. What is the picture is this? Elephant. What is this? Elephant. I write down the elephant name. E L E P H A N T. What is this? Elephant. Let's color the elephant picture. Elephant is in which color? Ash color. What? Elephant. Elephant totally in ash color. Okay, students, are you ready? My color is completed. How is it? Very nice elephant. It is a little elephant. Small elephant. I like elephant. Do you like elephant? Okay, completed. Next, come to down. What is here? A and Z. The remaining boxes we will fulfill with alphabets. A after which came? B. After C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z. Completed. Here another box is there. What is it? Small a and small z. The remaining letters are we fulfill. A tarvata A after B. B after C. C after D. D after E. E after F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. After that, Z. This is the alphabets. Next, name of the animals given below. What are the animals here given? Elephant. 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 Tiger. 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 Lion. 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 Cat. 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 Peacock. 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 Bear. 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 Monkey. 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 Rat. 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 Zebra. 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 Fish. 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 Next, find the names of the animals that are not given in the above picture. Write them in the box given below. Here we write down the animals' names without given in this picture. Okay, we write down what is the animals. Here, parrot. 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 Rabbit. 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 Dog. 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 Snake. 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 Giraffe. 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 These are the animals' names without given in the box. Okay, students. Next one. Write the names of animals and birds in the boxes and color them. One is done for you. Here some animals are there. We will write down the names of the animals and color them. Okay, what is this? Rabbit. Rabbit is in which color? White color, like white and sky blue. Here I wear sky blue color. It's a light color. Rabbit spelling is what? Here rabbit, R A B B I T. In the given boxes we can write here small r, here capital R, and here small r. Next, what is this animal? Lion. Lion is in which color? Brown color. That is the jewel of the lion. This is the lion. Lion spelling is Lion. In the boxes here we kept small l, here small capital L one in the one box and small l is in the second box. Next, fish. Fish is in sky blue. This is the fish. Fish spelling is F-I-S-H. Here capital F, here is small f. Next one is giraffe. Giraffe is in which color? Giraffe. Giraffe spelling is Giraffe. Here capital G, in this box small g. Next one is monkey. Monkey is in brown color. Monkey. What is the monkey spelling? M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. Here we put capital M. Here is small m. Come to the next page. What is the birds is shown in this picture? Duck, crow, eagle, hen, parrot, owl. Then we color it and write down the names of the birds. First one is parrot. Parrot is in green color, but she's nose is in pink color. This is the parrot. What is the spelling of parrot? P-A-R-R-O-T. Here capital P, here is small p. Next one is crow. Crow is in which color? Black color. Crow spelling is C-R-O-W. Crow. Here is capital C, here is small c. Next another one is hen. Hen is in which color? Brown color. Hen. H-E-N. Here is capital H, here is small h. Next one. Duck. Duck is in which color? This is the duck. So many colors in duck. Different colors. D-U-C-K. Duck. Capital D. Very small d. This one is owl. Owl. O-W-L. Owl. Capital O, small o. Okay, we see different animals and birds in the zoo. Can you write their names? One is done for you. Animals and birds in the zoo. We can saw the number of animals in the zoo picture. Here, someone written here. Lion, tiger, elephant, parrot, giraffe, monkey, snake, rabbit. In the zoo picture, what are the animals are there? Lion, tiger, elephant, parrot, giraffe, monkey, snake, rabbit. These are in the zoo picture. Okay, thank you for watching.